Welcome to the Hyatt Centric Southpark Charlotte, located in the upscale district of Southpark at 3100 Apex Drive. I recently had the pleasure of staying here and wanted to give a tour. At check-in, I was greeted by the friendly front desk agent, and as a globalist, I was upgraded from the standard room I booked to a high-floor premium room. By the way, if you haven't joined the World of Hyatt program yet, I highly recommend it. Hyatt offers some of the best perks, including room upgrades, free nights, and late checkouts, just to name a few. My stay included a wonderful full brunch menu breakfast at Eero. I recommend the Egg Sammie and one of their signature lattes. During my visit, I was able to relax and enjoy the city views from my spacious room on the highest guest room floor. The plush king bed is perfect for kicking off your shoes and unwinding after a long day. The room featured a nice sofa for curling up to read or watch some TV on the 55-inch flat screen HDTV. You can also connect your own device via the Hyatt app and catch up on your favorite Netflix shows. The modern bathroom comes equipped with a rainfall shower, Be Kind bath amenities, and Dry Bar Buttercup hairdryer. One of my favorite in-room amenities was the Keurig coffee maker, complete with Rainforest classic dark roast coffee pods. The room was stocked with amenities such as plush bathrobes, mini fridge with bottled water, iron and ironing board, and an in-room safe. Thank you for joining me on this tour of one king bed, high floor room at the Hyatt Centric Southpark Charlotte. For more videos of travel lifestyle and shopping videos, make sure to subscribe, share, and like this video.